TV. Yes, today we are going to be talking about delta mining. Okay, so it's a new new airdrop that just came out. So the first one, once you click on it, it will take you to download. If you watch down here, you're going to see download delta app now. Once you click on it, I'll go ahead to click on it now. So you can download this for people that are using Android, and this is for App Store. Okay, so you just download it. If you are using Apple Store, you download, but I'm using Android, so I'm going to click on Android right now. Android APK. Okay, I've clicked on it. Download anyway. Okay, as you can see, it's downloading. Let's be patient. So I'm going to tap on it right now. Finish downloading. So I'll open it now. Okay, I think it has installed. Okay, install app in danger. I'm going to click I'm aware, and I'll click OK. Okay, it's counting. Okay. Do you want to install this app? Yes, install. App has already been installed. Open. Yes, so we are here. This is where it brings us to. So you are going to add your country. So whichever country, you can add it here. Just look for your country here. So I'm going to search for my country right away. I'm from Nigeria, so I'm going to look for Nigeria. All right, Nigeria. Over here, you add your number. Okay, your Nigerian number. This is what you do here. So I'm going to pause the video to add my number. The number, you click on next. Then the referral ID. Make sure you get the referral ID. I'm going to be dropping it down the description or comment section via the video, or you can get it via my Telegram. Then nickname. All right, then next step, click on next. So I'm going to get a verification, SMS verification. Then you click on get. So over here, please make sure you select MTN. I'm going to select on the first one, which is this one. As you can see, this one, MTN, which is the second one. I'll click on it. Click on next step. Okay, please, this code here, make sure you copy it. Okay, send an SMS, send it via SMS. So I'm going to send it to this number. I'm going to copy this code. I've copied it. If you watch here, there's a countdown, so you have to do it as quickly as possible. So I'm going to copy the number first of all. I'll go to my I'm going to type in the number, paste the number I'm sending the message to. Okay, and I'm going to going to copy the code as well, and I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to send. So let's go back. I've sent verifications. Next step. Has verification been sent to the number one access number above? Yes. Confirm. Waiting for verification SMS. Wow, successful. So this is it. It's just as simple as ABC. So if you've not done yours, please kindly do that. You see it? So tap to mine Delta coin. You're going to click on mine. That started counting. Watch here, you see it has started counting. So please, if you've not registered, please do where to register. Don't forget to use the link I'm going to drop, my referral ID, to register. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can drop it via the comment section. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.